Hello and welcome to the third session under Unit 6. In this session, we look quinoline and isoquinolines. Okay, so at the end of the session, you should be able to draw structures for some named benzopyridines. You should be able to state reasons to support the aromaticity of benzopyridines. And lastly, you should be able to provide names to some given structures of benzopyridines. Now, to begin with, we will start with the structure of quinolines and isoquinolines. So, quinoline and isoquinoline are fused ring heterocyclic compounds that are similar to naphthalene, except that the heteroatom here is a nitrogen. So, in quinoline, you have the heteroatom, that's the nitrogen at position 1, whereas in isoquinolines, the heteroatom is found at position 2. So that is basically the difference between these two structures, the position of the nitrogen atom. This is the heteroatom. Now, another way of naming them is to look at the point of attachment of the benzene ring to the pyridine rings, right? You realize that this is a fused ring system comprising one pyridine and one benzene. So if you should use the alphabet approach, then you can say that this side is the A side, right? So this side is the B side of the pyridine ring. So this becomes benzo B pyridine. And similarly, you have the A side here, the B side here, you have our C side here. So this becomes benzo C pyridine, right? So isoquinolines can also be referred to as benzo C pyridines, and quinolines can also be referred to as benzo B pyridines. So basically, this also talks about how to name them, your fused ring system using the alphabets as well. This is just for your perusal. So we can look at some nomenclature. So similarly, just as I said, you can decide to refer to the structure as an isoquinoline or a quinoline, or you can use the benzo B pyridine or the benzo C pyridine approach. So now if you look at this is a typical quinoline structure. So we name it with our numbering starting from the heteroatom as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this becomes 2-chloro 8-nitro quinoline, right? Or again you can say it's 2-chloro 8-nitro benzo B pyridine, right? And similarly, you can also call this 2-amino quinoline or 2-amino benzo B pyridine, right? So this is also known as 2-chloroquinoline. This can also be named as 2-chloro benzo B pyridine, right? So this is an isoquinoline. So this is 1,4-dimethyl isoquinoline or 1,4-dimethyl benzo C pyridine. So please let's take note of this. Now, lastly is to look at the aromaticity of quinoline and isoquinoline, right? So both are aromatic compounds because they satisfy all the necessary conditions for aromaticity. So both are cyclic, both are planar, both are conjugated, and both also obey the Haeckel's rule of 4n plus 2 pi electron system. So both of them are still also aromatic.